Looking for a versatile kitchen tool that can handle breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between? The 11-inch electric skillet with a tempered glass cover is designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Its high sidewalls and clear glass lid let you keep an eye on your food without losing heat or moisture, ensuring perfect results every time. What makes this skillet stand out? It features a deluxe non-stick surface both inside and out, so your meals won't stick, and cleanup is a breeze. Even better, the skillet is dishwasher safe once you remove the heat control, saving you time after cooking. The built-in Control Master heat control automatically maintains the ideal cooking temperature, so you don't have to guess or adjust constantly. Plus, it runs on 120 volts and 1000 watts, using less energy than a traditional range burner or oven, which means it's efficient and cost-effective. This skillet isn't just for frying. You can roast, grill, stew, bake, and even make casseroles with it. It's a compact 11-inch size, perfect for cooking meals for 3 or 4 people. One satisfied user shares how they use it daily, often cooking potatoes with spices and little oil, then moving them aside to cook meat and vegetables, all in the same skillet. They even make spaghetti sauce in it. The best part? Keeping the temperature below 300 degrees preserves the skillets like new condition even after frequent use. If you're considering this skillet, here are some insider tips from experienced users. First, cure the skillet before your initial use. After washing and drying, heat it empty to remove moisture, then coat it lightly with oil and heat again. This step protects the surface and enhances its non-stick quality. Second, even though the manufacturer says it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to avoid drying out the surface. Wash when cool, avoid abrasive scrubbers, and dry immediately with a towel. Lastly, only use a silicone turner to protect the non-stick surface. Metal utensils can cause damage. Many users recommend the OXO Good Grips silicone flexible turner for its durability and gentle touch. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a tool that simplifies cooking and cleanup while delivering great results, this 11-inch electric skillet is worth a look. Whether you're frying, grilling, baking, or stewing, it adapts to your cooking style effortlessly. It's also a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves to cook, especially when paired with a quality silicone turner. Try it when you're ready and see how it changes your meal prep routine.